If you want to delete a repository from GitHub, for example, you no longer need it or it's no longer serving its purpose, then here's how you're going to do it. Without further ado, let's get started. First things first, you're going to head over to github.com and then you're going to make sure that you're logged in or you have created an account. Now, from your dashboard or your home page, you're going to head over to the left side panel right here where you can see all of your top repositories. Now, if you cannot find your repository that you want to delete from here, you can just head over to the top right corner of the screen where you can see the navigation menu. And then from there, you're going to click on repositories. This contains all of your repositories or a list of all your repositories. And then from there, you're just going to choose a repository that you want to delete. So I have here my sample repository that I no longer need. What you're going to do is you're just going to click on that. And then from this page, you're going to click on the settings tab at the top of the screen. And then from the settings page under the general section, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll all the way down until you find the danger zone section. What you're going to do is you're going to look at the delete this repository section. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on delete this repository. Now you're going to confirm by clicking on I want to delete this repository, and what I want you to do is you actually read this. This are all that will happen once you delete it. So unexpected bad things will happen if you don't read it, so make sure that you do. Now you're going to click on I have read and understand this effects, and then you're going to type in your repository name in the text box below right here to confirm. Now you're going to click on delete this repository, and then this repository will be deleted. Now I just want to remind you that once you have your repository deleted, you cannot recover them anymore. It will be permanently deleted. And that's it. That is how you can delete a repository from GitHub. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you have more questions, please don't hesitate to comment them down below. I'll see you in the next one.